Shortage of international workers has proved difficult for Bundaberg farmers who grow about a quarter of the state's fresh produce. But a robotic solution could be on the horizon.
This could be the way of the future for Bundaberg growers after this robot made light work of packing fresh produce.
We have special cameras that are on the robot that actually look at each and every zucchini. It finds them and then it knows where to pick them up.
Lyro Robotics trialled their new packing machine at a Bundaberg zucchini farm.
To the best of our knowledge, Lyro Robotics is the first multi-fruit and vegetable retrofittable packing solution out there.
Not only does the robot pack, it's been designed to look for defects and assess the size of the fruit.
And then find the best place for it to pack into the box so that we're maintaining a high standard of pack and we're not damaging the crop when we do it also.
It's also been tested on avocados and it's hoped it will be used for everything from citrus to pears and sweet potatoes in the future.
Our horticultural growers, fruit and veggie growers, tree croppers, you name it, they're all looking to ways that they can, improve their efficiencies, improve their productivity, improve their profitability.
Since COVID has started, it's really put a lot of pressure on farmers with finding labour, and so we've been a kind of shining light in that environment.
Lyro will return to the zucchini farm next year. It's hoped by then the robot will be ready to stay on full time.
In the next season, we will be packing at the same speed, if not faster, than humans.
Mel Whiteman, 7 News.
We'll take a break in a moment. A local butcher hamming it up after bagging a Meat Industry Council win. And the Aussie artists flexing their skills.